Welcome to this video. Today I will be walking you through how to get your Windows 10 computer to recognize a new drive that you just installed into it. So for example, you physically installed the drive into the computer, you turn it on and then go to the File Explorer and it's not showing up. I'm going to walk you through how to solve that issue. Please be aware that yes, I am doing this on Windows 10, but the steps are basically the same for Windows 7 and Windows 8 users as well, so you can also follow along. Now the first thing we will want to do is come down here to the Windows Start menu and type in Device Manager and go ahead and open up the Device Manager, and what you'll be looking for is where it says Disk Drives. Just click on the little arrow next to Disk Drives, and we want to make sure that our new drive shows up here, which mine does. It's this SanDisk. Now in your situation, if the new drive is not showing up, the first thing you will want to do is just double check, make sure you've got everything connected correctly, restart the computer, try again. If it's still not showing up here in the Device Manager, I would recommend that you take that new disk and plug it into a second computer, and make sure that when you do that you use a different data cable and different power cable just to eliminate those as possible culprits of the problem. If it still does not show up in a second computer, even with a different data cable and different power cable, then you know that the disk itself may be bad and you may be looking at a return. However, in our situation, it does show up, so we can proceed. And so next we will just click on the Windows Start menu again, but this time we're going to type in Disk Management, and it will give us an option that will say Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. So go ahead and click on that. Now if you get a little pop-up menu like this, you will want to make sure that you have GPT selected, and then click on OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and maximize the window here, and what you're looking for is, right here is a list of all the drives in the computer. You want to find the one with the black line that says unallocated, and right click on it and select New Simple Volume. Now from here it's pretty simple. I would strongly recommend that you just basically stick with the defaults unless you have a specific reason to do otherwise. So just go ahead and click on Next. Again, by default, this bottom number should match the top number. I would leave it that way unless, again, you have a specific reason to do otherwise. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. Now here we can assign a drive letter. We can pick whatever letter we want that's still available. C should already be taken. If you've already got other drives, D and E will probably also be taken. So in my situation, I'm just going to go ahead with A. Again, you select whatever letter you want and then click on Next. And then again here, I do recommend that you just stick with the defaults. You can right here change and give a name to your new drive, which I will do. I'm just going to give it the name of the actual SSD, so that way I know specifically which one it is. Again, you can give it whatever name you would like to. And then once you're finished, just go ahead and click on Next, and then click on Finish. And it may take a few minutes for it to format. It may be really quick. That one went pretty fast. Yours may take a little bit longer. And so we did just get a little pop-up down here, and we can see that now it shows as a healthy primary partition, disk number A, or disk letter A. And then if we go back to the File Explorer, we can now see right here that the new drive is showing up on the computer in File Explorer. So that's how you get through those steps. If you do have any questions or problems, please post a comment down below and we will respond as quickly as possible. Sometimes other people will chime in and help out as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and consider sharing it. And please also consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications on future videos.